Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi Srivastav. I'm 12 years old and I'm very fond of reading books. So today I'm going to compare two thriller series with each other, list some pros and cons of each, and which one I found better. So the two series that I'm going to compare are these, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder and Truly Devious. So here are some pros and cons of each. So, talking about A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series, I feel like it's a great series, but the plot is very straightforward. It does not contain any twists and turns, so it's a bit boring to read after a while. But yeah, it's a great book. I'm not pointing it out like it's a horrible book or something, but I feel like it should have been given a little less rating that it has. I feel like it's like 4.5 or 4.9 or something. I feel like it should have been given like 4 or 3.9 or something, because the plot was very straightforward and did not contain any twists and turns. And I feel like the plot also could have been a bit better, because it was not that great as compared to Truly Devious. One more thing is that The Good Girl's Guide to Murder, these books are really thick and they contain different scenarios for each book. I feel like that does not give you the power. It does not give you the motivation to read all the books, because the first one it's great. The second one also I feel like it deserves a rating of 3.9 or 4 or something. The third one I did not like it so much, and I feel like I just left it halfway through, because it was the last one. It was a very traumatizing book, I would say, because even I couldn't read it fully, because well, it contains some things which you'll read only you'll get to know only after you read it. So these books, I feel like the continuity should have been there, unlike the Truly Devious book. Like the Truly Devious books, they are three books with the same plot, the same series, and it's like पहली बुक खत्म हुई, तुमको तुरंत दूसरी बुक चाहिए. आई गेट लाइक 2 to 3 बुक्स ईच मंथ, एंड वो जब खत्म हो जाती है मेरे को दूसरे मंथ ही मिलती है, मेरे को नहीं मिल सकती उसी मंथ में, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दिस कॉस्ट अ लॉट. तो in matlab I finished the first book, and then I was eagerly waiting for the second this month to get over, so that I could get the second book, क्योंकि वो एक कंटिन्यूटी रहती है ना, कि अगर आपने एक बुक पढ़ी है उसका दूसरा वर्जन, अगर इफ यू लाइक दैट, उसका दूसरा वर्जन यू तुरंत चाहिए तुमको, इफ यू लाइक दैट. तो एंड पहला जो पार्ट है उसका, इट लीव्स यू लाइक हैंगिंग, कि उसने एकदम धमाका दे दिया तुमको कि ऐसा हुआ है, अब तुम जाओ, अब तुम ढूंढो दूसरी बुक, उसी टाइम पर लानी पड़ेगी तुमको. सो आई फील लाइक दैट वाज समथिंग दैट केट मी हुक्ड ऑन टू दिस बुक अंटिल द एंड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई फील द ट्रूली डेवियस वाज a bit better in one reason. Second one, उसकी जो पेजेस हैं, उसके पेज नंबर लेस हैं, तो इट इज़ मोर कन्वीनियंट टू रीड इट. जितनी मोटी बुक होगी उतना ज़्यादा विल पावर लगेगा उसको पढ़ने में. लाइक द लास्ट बुक इज़ लाइक दिस थिक, as good as dead, truly uski A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, and iski last book is like this thick, so you can compare it and you can see how much willpower this takes and how much willpower this takes. Those were the pros and cons of each book, but what exactly is there in these stories? If you talk about A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series, there are 3 books, there are 3 separate stories. So the first one was pretty good, the second was also, I feel like it was average. The third one I do not recommend it to you, because it's a very traumatizing book, as I said earlier. And well, the first one was pretty great. It started out and it ended perfectly. The second one, it had a thing in the last where she was traumatized by a gunshot. You'll read it, you'll understand it when you read it. And she was traumatized by that gunshot, and halfway through the second book, that was also okay. But the last book, that was filled with all of that, and I did not like it that much, so I just finished, like, I just barely finished that book. Talking about the Truly Devious series, this is the best thriller series that I've ever read, because this had a sort of continuity in it that kept me hooked till the book to the end. Like the last part of the book, it arrived around 7 in the afternoon, and मैंने पूरी बुक खत्म कर दी 2 बजे तक रात में. कंटिन्यूसली आई रेड इट, और वो इतनी अच्छी थी, मैंने पूरी पढ़ ली 2 बजे रात तक. इट वॉज फिनिश्ड, खत्म कर दी मैंने पूरी बुक. इट वॉज सो गुड. एंड लास्ट में भी इट उसमें कंक्लूजन था, उसमें कोई ट्रॉमा नहीं था, उसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा हाई बाप नहीं था. एंड स्टिल ये जो 3 बुक्स हैं, इसमें तो पूरी मर्डर मिस्ट्री एक सॉल्व हुई है. देर आर 2 or 3 more बुक्स रिलेटेड टू दिस. एग्जैक्टली इस मतलब इसमें जो है, इट इज़ नॉट कंटिन्यूटी, बट मतलब वो दोनों भी एक उसके पार्ट हैं. जैसे इसमें अलग अलग था, इसमें उसमें 3 बुक्स के बाद 2 अलग बुक्स हैं. सो आई फील लाइक दैट ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू रीड. अगले महीने आई विल बाई इट बिकॉज इस महीने भी मैंने बहुत सारी बुक्स खरीद चुकी हूँ ऑलरेडी. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड आई वुड recommend the Truly Devious series to you rather than the Good Girls Guide to Murder series. And even if you want to read both of them, I feel like the first 2 parts of a Good Girls Guide to Murder is better than the last one. Still, if you want to read it, go ahead. I do not have any problem. For watching, I hope this helps.